it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a review on this product here, which I hope is not reflecting too much. It is the Frieda Miracle Drops Hair Mask. It's for damage repairing with vitamin E oil. So in Australia, these can be purchased from Priceline and are $6 each. So just to give you a little information on this product, it just says this hair mask will transform damaged, breakage prone hair to reveal strong and fortified locks. It's infused with vitamin E oil. This hair mask provides deep moisturization to dry and brittle hair and can also help protect the hair from further damage. This hair mask is designed for anyone with damaged hair. It's safe to use on dyed hair. This mask helps repair the signs of damage from hot tools, dyes, and everyday wear. So what you do, you shampoo your hair as normal, and then you squeeze out the moisture and then massage the hair mask throughout wet hair, distributing evenly from the roots to the ends, and leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly. My extra light just went out, so hopefully the lighting's still okay. So I do dye my hair. My hair is like a strawberry blonde color. I can't speak today. And I do use bleach to dye my hair as well. I've always been sort of quite lucky that my hairdresser is quite good, and although she's bleaching my hair, it doesn't really look or become that damage, which is great. Of course, at the end of bleaching there's definitely some breakages, but it's nothing too extreme. And you know, I do use a straightener a lot because I do love to curl my hair as well. So there is a lot of heat going into my hair, the dye, the bleach. So yeah, definitely I will have some damage to my hair. Now my hair personally is not super dry, but it's not like super, what's the opposite to dry with hair? Moist hair? That doesn't sound right. But yeah, so I was gifted this and I thought definitely this is something that I want to share with you to see if it's worth doing a hair mask or not, because hair masks is something that I'm not really into, to be honest. I love skincare, makeup, fragrances, but just my hair I'm not that really into. So first of all, the smell of this is so beautiful. It smells like almost like a luxurious, like very luxurious scent of a product. Like if your hairdresser's putting on like a treatment, it just smells absolutely like amazing. Don't know if I have any more in there. Yeah, so it is a white liquid, as you might see out of there. So it's like a really thick conditioner, to be honest. But yeah, as I said, the smell is just like a beautiful, luxurious type scent. Almost like, I want to say like a cucumber, like body lotion type scent. It's just really, really beautiful. So for my hair, I used one of these packets on my whole head in one sitting. It was really easy to put on. It just like, it covered my whole hair. I didn't feel like I needed any more, and pretty much immediately I felt like it was doing a good job. When I washed it out, I was actually so surprised at how amazing my hair felt. It was really easy to comb through after I had washed it as well. I was very, very happy. And then for me, I let my hair air dry, and I was kind of surprised because with my natural hair, it's not curly or wavy or anything, but it definitely is a little frizzy when I let it air dry without straightening it. But I was so surprised that how like straight and just nice it really felt without like any hot tools on it. Like, to be honest, these products are so good in my opinion, and for $6 it's not, you know, too bad. If you're paying for a treatment at a hairdresser, like they charge so much more, and I feel like this gives like basically the same outcome. So yeah, really happy. This, my hair, to be honest, this is like probably a week after using this. It still feels quite soft. It's a little frizzy today, but yeah, as you can see, it is quite shiny as well. I hope you can see that. But yeah, it still does feel nice. I found that also my hair didn't get as greasy for the first week after I used this as well, which I really like. So less frequent washing, so it lasts longer in your hair. But yeah, really recommend this. It did a significant change in my hair, and it just feels so nice. So again, if you're looking for a hair treatment, pick one of these up, and if you do, please let me know your thoughts. I hope you found this helpful, and as always, I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.